This is a very simple activity, and you can do it even with your kids, and it looks beautiful on the Christmas tree, and or even like you can put it on the window or any way you wanted to decorate. And that idea just got inspired by when I got this lovely William Morris old calendar, which had lovely prints, different patterns. And it's already been used and cut and stuff like that. So I thought, like, why not to reuse all the beautiful patterns and make something useful. So what I did, I just sprayed the calendar side with the golden metallic spray. And you can buy any spray, or you can even paint it if you want to any color you want the other side. So that way this side of the prints are, and the other side is will be beautiful. Even when you look through, it's like shimmering and looks very nice. So for this project we will need the paper, the patterns, the wire, which you can get maybe in the garden center or anywhere. And as you can see, I have this wire with me. And also we need these tools for making loops to make this project work. A little ribbon. And if you want to decorate a little bit more, I got these in the pound shop, just a little like diamonds or any other maybe leftover jewelry you don't want to use, and you can include that into your design. So that's my table with all the lovely tools I need to make this beautiful decoration. So on the table I have the strips of paper ready to use, and I would say this is kind of like, it depends, like again, you can do very tiny ones and even two in one, or a big one. So the size is up to you how you want it, but this one is around 20 centimeters. So what we do, I'm just gonna a little bit measuring where the middle part is to know like where we're gonna point the paper. So the wire I have here is I'm using this tool. First I'm cutting. So again, you cutting around I would say 10 centimeters. And then you use this tool to like make a loop for your wire, which later I will put the diamond on here. So this is now pointing in the middle, and then again pointing in the middle, and then pointing in the middle, and we'll do 5 strips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5. And then you spread it like a snowflake, and you start from the first one, which is on the top. Then you go second one again. So to secure the strips, you can use a double tape in between. So my bowl is almost ready. So when you're happy with the shape and everything you did here, what you're gonna do, we're gonna use we're gonna make another loop. So I'm bending a little bit, and then again you can cut till here actually, because we have a bit of like too much, so I'm just gonna cut just to leave it for the loop to make. Oops. Be careful when you're cutting, it might pop. And then I'm just gonna twist, bend, twist, and bend. And I made 2 loops from top and the bottom. And now I'm gonna have a string. I'm just gonna put that string in, measure how much I need, just cut. As I said, it's your choice if you want to add some like jewels here. Now I'm gonna take my little diamond. Again, I'm gonna use this string, just gonna put in, and I'm gonna put through the hoop, and I'm gonna make a knot. Double knot. Yeah. Then I'm gonna cut. And to hide the knot, I'm just going to use this tool and just push the knot inside the hole. If you want, you can just leave it, but if you want, you can just make a little extra effort to push that in. Yeah, takes a bit of time, but it's so I hope you enjoyed your making little bubbles. And also for the leftovers, you can do a little cards. Very simple, just cutting out the circle and making as the little decorations on the card, or cutting the strips of different patterns and making it a little trees. So all this was from one used calendar, which would be nice to use for other ways to decorate for Christmas. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.